Every now and then I have people getting in touch with me on Twitter, sending me remixes of the Power Rangers theme tune, and it's really cool to see people taking that music and putting their own swing on it, particularly as the original Power Rangers soundtrack still sounds awesome even today. But I thought, because people were sending me these, it would be a good opportunity to share something with you. And that is that I've actually been working on a project for a while now, and I'm not really in a position to share it with you just yet, mostly because there are a lot of moving parts and contributions from a few different people, and also because I don't really know if it'll ever come to be. But either way, I'll share that with you when the time is right. But one of the things that project requires is a full soundtrack created from scratch. So I've been working with Dan Wrigley, the guy that made my theme tune, the one that plays before every video, to create a new alternative Power Rangers soundtrack. So while I'll keep most of the details aside for the moment, I've put together a little playlist which I'll link at the top and also in the description below, which has a few of the early tracks. Check them out and let me know what you think, but until then, I will see you all in the next video.